Save time, save money with Valenta. When people hear automation, the first question is usually the same. What happens to my team? The short answer, they get their time back. Valenta's model is built around what we call human in the loop. Your digital assistants handle the repetitive, error-prone work. Your people stay in the workflow, reviewing exceptions, verifying outputs, and approving steps where human judgment is needed. This isn't automation that runs blind. Every workflow is designed so your team maintains control and visibility, while the digital assistant does the heavy lifting. The result is 100% accuracy, and a team that's no longer buried in manual work. And if your team is short-staffed, or you're scaling faster than you can hire, Valenta can also provide trained human specialists to fill the gaps. Seamlessly integrated into the same workflow at a competitive rate with no long-term commitment. Automation doesn't replace your people. It puts them in a position to do the work that actually matters. See how the hybrid workforce model works for your business. Start with a complimentary automation assessment at valenta.io.